Hello, and welcome to another update video about ETH. So on the ETH chart, the price moves higher still. Yeah, we haven't really moved since my last update. It has really basically done what it needs to do. It has done what it needs to do in this wave 5 of 3. But there is no sign of a top in place. So the minimum expectations are fulfilled. There's no need as such for it to push higher. But as long as we're holding above the last swing low, which is at 1860, further extensions have to be considered. So a more direct extension to the next move up, to the next FIB extension at 1976, absolutely possible, has to be expected and considered. After wave 3 is done, ideally we see a wave 4 pullback. Current support stands between 1684 and 1771. It doesn't need to go down that low, but that is support. Okay, so ideally we get into this region, most likely into the region between 1771 and 1727, with 1755 as structural support, and then one more high. So that the analysis would definitely benefit from one more higher low and one more higher high. However, with this move, technically, you could even consider it as already 5 waves complete. So can I rule out this is already wave 5? No. That will mean that if we get a pullback, and it is quite deep, and it breaks support at this stage now, after we've made this high, I may consider it as a wave 2. So whereas I highlighted before that if we break below support, I will take a bearish stance, I will now, with that last high, because I can consider it as a wave 5 already, technically, not what I primarily look for, but it would be an alternative count. I will basically, if we break support here, I will watch for it as a, I will see it as a potential wave 2 pullback if we break below 1684, for example. Yeah? What you also have to understand, that means that if we get into this support area, maybe even a little lower, and hold support, the next rally could be a third wave, and that would be super bullish. So I just highlight that now, so you can obviously make your own decisions based on that. It would at this stage, I see it only as an alternative, but you know, you don't want to miss a third wave rally, because what that means is that we would have a wave 1 completed here. The next move down would be a wave 2 pullback. Again, only an alternative at this stage, but it's a likely alternative. And then the next rally up would not be a 5th wave, but it would indeed be a third wave. That would be broadly in line with the idea that, you know, when we break above those key levels on the daily chart, that it might lead to really quite aggressive price action, to be honest. So if you look at this, Ether is sort of in the process of finishing this wave 1, which I just showed you. Those 5 waves up would be 5 waves in wave 1, then a wave 2 pullback, and then this third wave could really lead to a massive breakout. Already now I'm thinking, you know, we are at 1904, so it's pushing higher. Breaking above 2030 could take us to 2150. I mean, that would generate some FOMO, right? So I'm just saying, sometimes they don't show these deep pullbacks, okay? Just be aware of that. It's we have a breakout level here at this descending trend line. It's trying to break out. I would say it's not done it yet, it's just trying to. So 2030 could be the next resistance, and then 2150. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.